Hello, Ailsa fam. So, today I'm going to be doing my 3 favorite slimes and why I like them. So if you're wondering why I have my little narwhal here, because he needs a spot in this video. You know, narwhals are our mascot. So, how about you guys? Every single subscriber is called a narwhal. So we are the narwhal fam. So let's get started with this video. I started kneeling down because, so I'm going to stand up again. So, first slime I have is a silver slime. I used it with silver glitter glue. It's a little blue because I used some Tide. It sometimes gets a little sticky at first, but then if you knead it a little bit, it won't stick too much. I always keep some Tide at the bottom of this because this one randomly sometimes gets, a little sticky. So, see, it gets sticky sometimes, but then you just gotta knead it. I'm gonna have to move Mr. Narwhal for a little bit. Yeah, I'm just gonna move him. Okay, he'll stay right next to me. Yeah, so I'm kneading the Tide in right now a little bit. Because as I said, I always keep some Tide at the bottom. Or most of the time, I keep some Tide at the bottom. But, yeah, it's starting to get a little bit bitter. Yeah. And now, we'll get to the reasons why I like this slime. The reason I like this slime is because it's super pretty. And the reason I think it's pretty is because it's so glittery. This one has a lot of glitter. But, you never can have too much glitter. So, now I'll do just a swirl for you guys. Oh my goodness. I hit Mr. Narwhal. I'm sorry, Mr. Narwhal. What should we name that guy? Should we name it after the Ailsa fam? So we'll name him, or she, you guys can pick if it's a girl or a boy, and what it's, how about you guys decide what the name of, right now, Narwhal should be. Which should him or her name be? Look at her. Oh, and if you're wondering, I painted her, or him. I'm guessing you guys will say she's a her. Leave her right over here. So yeah, this is a really good slime. I love stretching it out. Going like that, and then this is my favorite part. Sorry if you hear background noises, guys. Just some airplanes going by, and we live right next to, a forest. So let's move on to the next slime. Back in its container. And I always use Ziploc containers. I don't know why. So the next slime is this slime I made at my grandma's. I made this one with my cousin. And when you first look at it, you see glitter. So this slime I made with some white glue. I made all of these with Elmer's glue. So yeah. It has a texture that it has so much glitter. So it has silver glitter. It's like a maroon color, I guess you could say. It sort of looks different on camera. It sort of looks more brownish on camera, but pretty red, I guess. It's like a light maroon color. And I like how it has like that texture. I say it has a texture. It's pretty stretchy. It's stretchy enough you can make a pretty good, decent swirl. I'll make one for you right now. Oh, no, I'm not the best at making swirls, so. Yes. Okay. This one is pretty small, but it's a pretty good size if you wanted to sneak slime into school. Like, who would do that, but, well, maybe you guys would. Maybe you would. Well, goodness. So, yeah, this slime. Oh, no, I put a hole in it. This slime is also it gets pretty bubbly. So, there is that slime. Okay, this slime, next slime is white. So I need to get, it doesn't really matter if this gets gray, and I don't really care. That's from the other slime. Then our next slime is white, so I don't want to. So, oh, these are both just normal slimes. But the next one, this next slime that I have to show you guys is pretty large. And this is a butter slime. I only use Elmer's glue for my slime, and you see there's always bubbles. And it is a butter slime. Oh no, I got red in it. No. I'll just put that on top of the container. No, I got red in it. So this one, I use the same glitter that I use for my red maroonish slime. I don't really have names for my slime, but I guess the silver one could be called, how about you guys comment what that one could be called? The silver slime. Comment what you guys think that one should be called. The red slime, you guys can name that one too, and I'll name this one. Since it's really pretty and it sort of looks like snow and snowflakes, I think I'm gonna name this one Winter Wonderland. I don't know, I just popped up in my mind. I got a thought bubble. So yeah, you can see that. Yeah, it's pretty. It's a pretty decent slime, and it's really good at making swirls. It's really thick, you guys. Is that how butter slimes are supposed to be? If you guys are slime experts, yeah, I've made this one swirl. I've made this one swirl with this slime that was like really pretty and like a professional slime swirl. So yeah. This is the slime. It is really pretty, I think. It's a pretty good butter slime. This was my first butter slime. So, yeah. And like I said, all my containers are Ziploc, so this is a Ziploc. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna spin around. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Oh my god, I almost dropped the narwhal. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to be a member of the Ailsa Squad or the Narwhal Squad. And if you are already subscribed, make sure to turn on those notifications to be notified whenever I post. So, goodbye. Goodbye. Peace out. Always be yourself. Well, that didn't work. Maybe Mr. Narwhal can do it. Or her.